Okay, I realized when students started submitting their drawings that the lips were enormous. And then I realized when I was teaching it in person that I did mess up on this part of the lips, the corners of the mouth. On the masculine side, the edge of the the edge of the pupil is going to get a straight line down to place that parting line. And on a female, it's the edge of the iris. All right, and that is the only difference, is that the mouth was just a little too wide before. Okay, so edge of the iris, no, edge of the pupil on the masculine side. So edge of that pupil, edge of the iris on the feminine side.